I apply tissue oil on my face before I apply makeup because of my scars and acne. And I use a pencil liner to line my brows. I use a pro concealer to shape on my brows. For foundation, I use Black Opera foundation color number 1. For concealing my face, I use a pro concealer. I blend that in using my tap sponge or just my blending sponge. For setting my face, I use a setting powder. And to my nose, I just use my eyeshadow palettes with the color brown shade, light brown, to shape in my mouth.
Wake up with you in the morning.
For my wings, I just use my mascara.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that ain't fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that ain't fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
For the finishing touch on my face, I use my powder, face powder.
Can do nothing at all. So what?
I make sure I overline my lips, my upper lips, with a lip liner or just any pencil liner. I love to underline my bottom lips to just make it a little bit smaller than my upper lips. So for the finishing touch, I use my lipstick, which is so amazing. So for everything that, if you want to know every product that I used, I will write on the description down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. See you on my next video. Hope you enjoyed.